Is your HP Color LaserJet Pro 4301fd showing offline even though it's turned on? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the easiest ways to get your printer back online. First, make sure your printer is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. If you're using a USB cable, check that it's securely plugged in. Next, open Windows Settings. Go to Printers and Scanners. Select your HP 4301fdw and open the print queue. If you see Use Printer Offline checked, uncheck it. Now clear any stuck print jobs. Sometimes one failed document keeps the printer offline. After clearing the queue, restart both your printer and your computer. If the problem continues, open the HP Smart app and run the built-in printer diagnostics. It can automatically detect and fix many connection issues. Still seeing your HP 4301fdw offline? Updating or reinstalling the printer driver usually solves the problem. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more printer fixes, and thanks for watching.